So, here we are with an enthusiastic personality with us, Mr. Rahul Walia, who is also known as Josh Machine of Delhi. Yes, he is with us and he will be sharing his experiences during his entrepreneurship days. किस तरीके से इन्होंने एक स्क्रैच से स्टार्ट करके किसी एक कंपनी को एक ब्रांड बनाया, उस ब्रांड से हज़ारों एंटरप्रेन्योर्स खड़े किए और आने वाले टाइम में वो और इस तरीके से क्या करने वाले हैं. थैंक यू सो मच सर हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए.
Thank to you that you have spared time with me and we are sitting here together for sharing something.
Yes sir. सबसे पहली चीज़ कि जिस तरीके से मतलब आपने इतने सारे लोगों को आगे बढ़ाया, ऑब्वियसली उनमें से एक मैं भी हूँ कि मैं आज एक एंटरप्रेन्योर बन पाया हूँ और कुछ करने की कोशिश कर पा रहा हूँ. बट मैं ये जानना चाहूँगा सर कि अभी जैसा रिसेंटली इतनी सारी चीज़ें आपके फेसबुक फैन पेज से और अलग अलग सोर्सेज से पता चल रही है लोगों को कि आप एक नए आइडिया के साथ आने वाले हैं, एक नई चीज़ लेकर के आने वाले हैं, एक नया प्लेटफॉर्म लेकर के आने वाले हैं जो आने वाले टाइम पर यूथ को बहुत अच्छी अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ प्रोवाइड करने वाला है. मैं चाहूँगा कि आप थोड़ा हमारे जो भी हमारे फॉलोअर्स हैं उनको या आपके जो फॉलोअर्स हैं या जो भी हमारे सब्सक्राइबर्स हैं उनको ये बताएं कि किस तरीके से आप क्या करने वाले हैं. सबसे पहले मैं शुरुआत करना चाहूँगा कि आप जो आपकी कंपनी है वो क्या नाम है उसका या ब्रांड है वो क्या है और किस चीज़ के बारे में.
Let me start with one thing. Firstly, I would like to thank you that at least you have realized that something because of my efforts you've been today something. There are hundred of people and some few of my close one who never realized that I've been some big part in their life. और मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा दुख भी होता है कि sometimes I don't feel that they never realized it. But I found thousands of people who say me that they are something, they are because of me. So for me it is sometimes it's weird that how to express these kind of feelings. Second thing, I'm coming with an idea which is already prevalent in the market but somehow it's having one major project along with. How is it? Its name is Yes API, Young Entrepreneur Society. Amazing Planners India Private Limited is company which will be taking gift base properly to it, and we are going to establish base for the people who are in the market, whether they have good knowledge about computers or their related things or not, but we are going to actually give them base to mold their technologies. Nowadays they are using Samsung, different apps and all that. They know what is affiliate marketing, they know what is Facebooking, they know online marketing kind of things actually happening in India, but they are actually not knowing the things in basic or deep. So this will be platform where we'll be providing the websites, some courses which will be incrementing day by day, some basic which we already were providing, and the major base we are coming with is called digital marketing, already prevalent in the market. How we are going to do that is our USP. We easily cannot disclose to people because this is USP, unique selling proposition.
Yes sir.
And I'm just expecting that very soon people will find that how these things are going to be happening in market, and it will be very different way. My initiative will be a very big, because this time I am going to start with only few of the people who are deserving candidate in the market with the best candidature I have had. To work with me, there are only 3 criteria. First, you have to be a trustworthy, who can trust on me and I can trust on you to perform the biggest one. For the performance, you trust on me, and for the performance, I trust on you. It is the main base. Second, you must be honest to yourself when you will be performing. You have to be dedicated. And the third base is that you have to be hardworking. If you're hardworking, definitely things will turn sooner or later in the right way. I don't commit your success, rather I claim it one day if you are actually serious about it. That is what all about I want to say.
The next is, who will be your target audience? What are the category which you are focusing on?
Very nice question you have just thrown on me. Let me explain you. The passion you would definitely heard about somebody has. Why we choose people who are youth oriented mass we are going to choose in the market. Reason, because they are from 18 to 30 and sometimes they do much better than other people because they have physical efforts much higher than anybody present in the market. We find the people who are already curious to do something, they are only concerned or connected to youth. So the major focus we do on youth, because youth is only that platform base which can provide anything with the pace or speed. Suppose I want to make a website and I want some businessman will develop it for me, whether he doesn't have the knowledge of that or not. But if a youth who is studying in IT or some normal college, if he has basic knowledge of computer, if he knows how to use WordPress and all that, he easily can make it. And some day he will get an idea how to run through it, he will start doing it. But suddenly a man who is already married or he has done something, he's doing job somewhere, he will not easily choose it कि I should do, because he is already occupied. But a boy who is studying in college, he is free practically for doing a lot of things. Suppose he plays a cricket, he goes with friends, he's spending time somewhere else. But here we see that people are actually occupied in different activities. Just to ignore those activities, only to study and only to work is the basic criteria which makes man successful. If I share a very basic idea of my life with you, that is, I was only 19 years old when I started working with my education. When I earned my first few checks, it was the first motivation. I realized that time there is no age to earn and there is no age to study. But yes, the age I was in or I am still in is the only age where you can pick things very big, because your physical efforts are always with you. That's all.
So what are you aiming at in next 1 year when it comes to revenue app expansion?
Revenue app expansion, I am really thinking that after 1 year or within the 1 year, I am expecting that 100 of people, 1000 of people will or would have started that time earning through the online, and definitely we will be one of them in the market as a leading profile. In short, I would say that most probably it will be one scenario where online earning army will be there in market, who would be just setting examples and benchmarks for other people in other countries or in our country too, that why to do those things which are useless rather to do useful things in day-to-day time.
Right. Can you tell me about the challenges which an entrepreneur is facing in current business scenario?
Yeah,
according to
obviously worthy question. In day-to-day time, challenges are always in the market. People, suppose you are not willing to compete with anybody, but other people always will to compete with you. Reason, they think that I'm competing with them. I'm not competing with them. I never competed with them. But criteria is that, in other words, competition is a part of market. What is competition? The day-to-day scenario is changing and people understand who will change the scenario, that is a competition. Who will do it first, that is a competition. I learned one day a line that who is going to do it first is the man who is actually achiever. So in the market, entrepreneurship is a very big platform. Who is an entrepreneur who is taking risk on his own and going to do something big, and if he succeeds, people appreciate. If he fails, people actually criticize and hate. But they never realize he is the only one who did it, who tried to do it. Why do you appreciate him when he succeeds? And why do you hate him when he does not? At least he did, you did not. You will spend your life with 20,000 rupees whole life and you will criticize. And there is another person who is drop out of school or college and he has done something very big. I know a lot of people who are drop out of colleges and the people they have done very big. You would not understand, even the bank managers are not earning that much. Those people are earning through online income. I'm really amazed just to see that. Reason, because they got the platform. Sometimes they meet me, they say, thank you sir, if that was not the platform you would not have shown, definitely it would not be possible. Same with that, to elaborate that with very big atmosphere now, which will be totally connected with online. We are coming with both kind of incomes. We call it offline and online. Why it is? Because offline is more important, because it is coming with the priority, and online is more than important because we are expecting that online is actually future, not today's. In day-to-day time, our government is always saying Digital India. this is Digital India. Why they are speaking, maybe that it is a joke. No, it is not a joke. It is something they have seen. Entire world is actually turning towards it. Complete orientation is being done like this, and we are expecting India is totally being Digital India one day, and young kid will be a technocrat in himself in technology, and one day complete world will be hiring all technologies from us only, because we know what we have. The only matter is that we are not paying attention towards those small steps that we are going to place in the market. Just start and let's do big. That's all.
Okay, another question which is among my favorite questions. Recently we have seen in market कि लोग फंडिंग्स ले रहे हैं और एक स्टार्टअप्स का बिल्कुल दौर चल रखा है कि हाँ स्टार्टअप्स ये स्टार्टअप वो स्टार्टअप, और बहुत सारे स्टार्टअप्स ऑब्वियसली सक्सेसफुल भी हो रहे हैं, लेकिन बहुत सारे स्टार्टअप्स डाउनफॉल भी देख रहे हैं. आई जस्ट वांट टू नो इन विच काइंड ऑफ स्टार्टअप यू बिलीव इन, लाइक सेल्फ फंडेड स्टार्टअप और VC फंडेड स्टार्टअप.
See, I have not still thought about VC funded. I don't know कितना reliable होगा. मैं सेल्फ फंडिंग में ही बिलीव करता हूँ और अभी तक मैंने सेल्फ फंडिंग ही की है और शायद आगे भी मैं वही करूँगा. हाँ, कुछ बड़ा आइडिया हुआ जिसमें मुझे लगा कि इट हैज़ टू बी वेरी इनॉर्मस एंड इट नीड्स बिग फंडिंग, इट नीड्स बिग एडवाइस टू, डेफिनेटली आई एम गोइंग टू डू इट. बट दिस टाइम इट इज़ सेल्फ फंडेड एंड आई विल ट्राई टू डू एवरीथिंग ऑन माई ऑन फंडिंग टू इलेबोरेट टू मेक दिस प्रोजेक्ट सक्सीड एट एनी कॉस्ट.
ओके, कोई स्पेशल रीज़न जिसकी वजह से आप सेल्फ फंडेड स्टार्टअप्स में ज़्यादा बिलीव करते हैं?
Why? Because it is my risk. To be very frank, it's my risk. If I am going to put some technology projects ahead in the market, so firstly I have to invest in other people. Slowly, sooner or later, will go to buy the products regarded or related to them. But in the beginning, of course, it has to be mine. If I succeeded, people, as I would again say, I will succeed, people will appreciate me. Maybe that they will write big comments about me that he is the man, he has done something like that. But somehow if I did half of that too, they will never see that he did at least half. They will always write that half he did not do. So I want to get concerned about that. Why the self-funding is because I want to take total responsibility on me in the beginning. Later on, when we grow, many people come, please include us, please include us. Reason because they see the project is actually going on. Yes, that's why. And I've learned lesson also that from my previous subjects or previous years, many people have taught me few lessons. I will never forget them.
Okay. So where are you seeing yourself and your new venture, Yes API, in next 5 years?
In true spirit, if I'll speak about it, I will see Yes API in the hearts of people. People at least will have this name in heart. They would definitely bow in front of it and say that this is the one, we were nothing, and this name made us start something and we are gaining day by day something. And India people would definitely say one day that we were just in college. It made us realize that being in college along with we can do a lot of other things which are required in market today. When a boy of 14 years to 18 years can develop applications today in market, why cannot youth of college which is already running in age of 18 to 25 can do or can't do? The situation is that we are going through that today. Yes API is a name which is emerging, but in future it will be name of household, where parents will say that if you did not join Yes API or did not work in API, you did not get the classes of API or did not actually attend the seminars of API, you are not getting matured. Because here we have seen people are getting matured by the ideas, and that will be one big salutation to our company, to this organization, that we are going to place the technology in the market which will be very easily and useful to people. And our motive after 5 years is that we want to live in the hearts of people, and one day people will make us proud, and we will be proud of those people who will do something good with us. That's all.
Being an entrepreneur, I hope you would be aware of your strength and your weaknesses. Can you tell us about that?
If I like somebody, I like his views, I like his ideas. Sometimes easily I trust him. This is my weakness. suppose you have given me good ideas and I am liking it, and sometimes I feel that I have capability to do this or to take it at a very high scale, I'll trust you. But my strength is that if you actually help me develop this idea, this is my strength, that I will take this idea to utmost level. My weakness will be, if you dissed me, it will be my weakness that I trusted you. So, or if you supported me with that idea, it will be my strength that I'll take that idea to utmost level. So both things I have. If I trust on people, they dissed me, and in previous stages it has happened with me. I trusted few people, they dissed me, and somehow I take it's a call of God. Maybe that God has thought something better for me, but I will always remember those lessons what I have learned in past. So accordingly, or with the flow of life, I would say that now I am going to work hard with my strengths and weaknesses, and I sure people will get benefit of me, and I'll get benefit of them, definitely.
Alright, so in future we will be seeing new entrepreneurs, new projects, new concepts, and various seminars and meetings.
I assure you, I have written many comments about this entrepreneurship and a lot of other things related. I would like to say that when I work with somebody, I make leaders. Suppose you have 10 people who do not know how to present themselves on stage, and how to express those ideas, how to discuss, how to interact with people. I have seen those people who were stammering one day. After working with me or with the platform I generated, they changed their personality. They were not stammerer, rather they were performer, they were leading profile. Sometimes they thanked me, sometimes they did not. Maybe that ego being big of them. Sometimes I mind, sometimes I take it light. But the situation is that I definitely have produced entrepreneurs. The people who have been trained by me, I know whenever they reach at a scale, they will say me thank you, and I still recognize the guidance of my guru, Mr. Rahul Bhardwaj, the man who taught me everything. That is another matter, that I have not met him since 8 to 9 years or more than that time.
तो होपफुली सर आगे चल के मैं बहुत अच्छी मीटिंग्स और बहुत अच्छी फ़ोटोज़ और बहुत अच्छी वीडियोस देखने वाला हूँ फेसबुक पर, और बहुत सारे नए एंटरप्रेन्योर्स को भी. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर.
थैंक यू.